so fucking precious when you smile.
So hey guys, it's Nadia here today, and I'm going to be doing a everyday basic makeup tutorial. And this is pretty much what I do to my face every day. And yeah, so let's get into it. I'm about to look ROUGH rough. Anyways, so first we're gonna start by taking this makeup off because I went to church today.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on no Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up.
So, let's jump into the next thing. I usually start by using a beauty blender, but you have to wet your beauty blender. Like, I soak mine, then I just squeeze it out. And usually that helps a lot better, like with beauty blenders. So, that's why I do that. And yeah. So, what I usually do is I start by putting a triangle under my eye with concealer. And if you don't have concealer, you know, you can just skip this, because I just do it usually in the mornings because my eyes have like black under them. So
on your back, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is so cool, bitch, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, said they ain't got a man. And they all brought a friend. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. I feel just like a rock star. I've been popping.
So now we're going to do foundation, and I just put that everywhere. And I have Urban Decay foundation as well as the concealer, and I use 2.0.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking Henny, bad bitches jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra. Hit her front or back, pulling on the tracks, and now she screaming out no more. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars? Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is so cool, bitch, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, said they ain't got a man. And they all brought a friend.
Who's taking you home, 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 and loving you so, 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 so. The way I used to love you, no, I don't wanna know, no, no, no. Who's taking you home, 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 and loving you so, 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 so. The way I used to love you, oh, I don't wanna know. The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And
now what we're gonna do is we are going to do our contour. And I don't really do forehead contour because I don't really feel the need for that, but I don't know how good that is to do that to your lips, but it's okay. I do cheek contour, and that's about it. I used to do like forehead, nose, all that extra stuff, but since this is a basic makeup tutorial, like routine thing, I'm not gonna do all that, cause like what's the point? Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Anastasia foundation slash contour stick thing, and it's a cream contour slash foundation, and I'm gonna go a little extra because I want my cheekbones to look good, because I kind of don't have any, because I have a really fat face, a really round face, and yeah, we're just gonna, you kind of have to feel for your cheekbone, unless you can like tell where your cheekbone angle's at. Mine's kind of like right in here though, so usually I just go like that, and I just put a little bit, get this little brush, and kind of just try to blend that down, and go in up and down motions. So you bring that down, and now you have a cheekbone, but we ain't gonna leave it like that, because that's a little rough. So, kind of blend that in. And blend it towards, like, up more than down, because you don't want your whole face down here to be darker. So, there's that cheek. Okay.
I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body.
I have an Anastasia contour kit. I do have the cream contour kit and the like regular powder one, but I'm not gonna use that because just no. We're gonna use a lighter one, this color. So I'm gonna use some bronzer, and we're gonna bronze my face a little bit, like on the nose, so I don't have to contour it, and cheeks, and then a little chin, and then we're gonna do some forehead bronzer. And then what we're gonna do is get our blending brush, blend that out a lot. And then, you don't have to do this, because I don't do this a lot, but I do like to sometimes put blush on. So we're just gonna do it. Okay. So now I have blush on. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my highlight, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter and my Laura Geller highlighter. Now I'm gonna get this highlight brush, and we're gonna down here. And this just kind of shows off your everything.
In my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body.
We've done that, and now we're gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow. It's just a basic look. I'm gonna get my Morphe 350 palette and my Morphe M501 brush, and it just looks like that. And we're gonna go in with this like brown color right here, this light color, and the one under that. Kind of blow that a little bit so you don't get too much. And we're gonna kind of just put it in the crease and then a little bit over it, not too much, like so. Like kind of come at an upward angle and very easily go in there. Like so. And then it'll look like that. And you're gonna kind of come down at like a cat eye angle because you don't want to just leave it by itself. We're gonna grab that light brown and the one under it and kind of bring that down. And then swipe up. And then there's that.
I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
I'm gonna grab the like pinkish shimmery color under that dark brown that you first had, and you're gonna kind of just wave that over it. And there's your eyeshadow part of that. And this is like an everyday school look for me. So, and then what we're gonna do is, if you haven't done so, put your mascara on, and I guess I could just go over that a little bit, make it darker than it already is. Watch me mess the whole dang thing up and hit my eye with it. Okay, so there's that. And now, usually I would do my eyebrows like before I did my eyes, but I've already done them today. They're kind of already done, but I don't do much to them because my eyebrows are actually this dark. So, I usually just make them a little pointer up here, like how that goes like that, and then that.
We let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate.
And then for lips, most of the time, if I do, I'll put on some chapstick first. This Blistex stuff really works. Keeps my lips not so chapped. Because my lips get chapped really easily. And then we're going to put some matte lipstick. So yeah. So that's how I do my everyday makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys want to see any other makeup tutorials, anything else, just comment down below. And have a good day, guys.